Hey, this is Alex with FileDrop. Today I want to show you a new tool we just released. It's a find duplicates tool that can find duplicates in your Google Drive folders. It's easy to use. You're gonna find this new tool in the folder tool sidebar. I already opened it and I already know what folder I want to clean up. So find duplicates and remove them is the FileDrop folder, where I gathered a few duplicate files along the way, and I'm just gonna paste the folder ID here. You can also use the find folder ID tool here if you want to. You can either browse them or you can search for the folder you want. You can select and it's going to show you the folder ID. You can copy it and paste it here. Let's get started. So I have my folder ID. I'm going to click find duplicates and the process starts. And now it shows me the duplicate files I have in that folder. Depending on how big the folder it is, how many files you have in it, this might take a bit. What we have here is the file name, the file ID, the path. This searches through subfolders as well, the date when the file was added, and an action column where you see the delete here. Every file that is marked for delete is going to be deleted. So if you want to keep more than one file or anything like that, just delete this word from here. So let's start deleting the duplicate files here. I'm going to click the delete marked duplicates. I'm going to confirm. And again, depending on how many files we have, it takes a bit. One thing to know is that you won't be able to delete files that are not yours. Actually, if you're okay, the process has been has finished. Files that you do not own but are duplicate are gonna show up here as not owned. What I can do now is restart the process and see if this can find more duplicate files. And actually, it's just this one file that I actually didn't want to delete. Depending on the type of Google account you have, this process might time out. There is a 30 seconds limit for the free accounts, so that might be an issue and you need to restart it. But other than that, I think it's great and it's easy to use. You most likely will see the deleted files in your trash if you want to save them, and as you can see here, these were all deleted today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you find this useful and see you next time. Cheers.